lights are low, the world's asleep. Your shadow moves and the silence deep. You don't need to say a word. Your breath's the sweetest sound I've heard. Your fingertips trace through my hair. Every touch just pulls me there. You don't have to speak, don't make a sound. Just whisper me closer, don't turn around. Whisper me closer, soft and slow. Let the night be the place we go. No words, no lies, no letting go. Just whisper me closer, baby, low. The moonlight falls on your skin. I lose myself again and again. Your heartbeat talks in steady time, like an old blues rhythm in my mind. Your eyes say what your lips can't hide. I feel your soul right by my side. We're past the point of right or wrong. Just whisper me closer all night long. Whisper me closer, soft and slow. Let the night be the place we go. No words, no lies, no letting go. Just whisper me closer, baby, low. Don't promise tomorrow, don't chase the dawn. Just hold me now till the dark is gone. If love's a moment, let it stay in your arms till the break of day. Whisper me closer, don't let it end. Let this fire just start again. Every breath's a sweet amen. Whisper me closer again and again. Yeah. Whisper me closer. 'Cause I don't need words tonight. Just you and this quiet light.